Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that every home chef should consider, the Cuisinart SM-50R, a 12-speed stand mixer with a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl. We found this fantastic product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The Cuisinart Stand Mixer is designed to deliver superior function, making it an invaluable tool for anyone who enjoys cooking or baking. This stand mixer boasts a powerful 500-watt motor in die-cast metal construction, ensuring that it can handle a variety of tasks with ease. With 12 different speeds at your disposal, you can achieve precision and finesse in your mixing, whether you're whipping egg whites, kneading dough, or folding in delicate ingredients. One of the standout features of the SM-50R is its polished stainless steel bowl, which not only looks great in your kitchen but is also durable and easy to clean. The 5.5-quart capacity is perfect for preparing large batches of dough or batter, making it a great choice for those who enjoy baking bread, cakes, or cookies. The tilt-back head design allows for easy access to the bowl, so you can add ingredients without hassle. Included with the mixer are essential attachments like a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle, allowing you to tackle a variety of recipes right out of the box. The splash guard with a pour spout is another thoughtful addition, helping to keep your kitchen clean while making it easy to add dry ingredients without making a mess. This stand mixer is not just for home bakers, it's suitable for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're a beginner trying your hand at baking or a seasoned chef looking to streamline your preparation process, the Cuisinart SM-50R is versatile enough to handle your needs. It can whip up everything from simple pancake batter to more complex recipes like homemade pasta or pizza dough. What's more, the Cuisinart SM-50R is compatible with a range of optional attachments. If you want to expand your culinary repertoire, you can invest in additional tools like a pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer. These attachments can transform your stand mixer into a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse, allowing you to experiment with various cooking techniques and recipes. The availability of multiple colors, including silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen, and robin's egg, means you can choose a model that complements your kitchen decor. The vibrant ruby red version we're showcasing today adds a pop of color while remaining sleek and stylish. Another notable aspect of the Cuisinart SM-50R is its commitment to safety and quality. The product is BPA-free, ensuring that your cooking experience is not only efficient but also safe for you and your family. Additionally, it comes with a limited 3-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind regarding its durability and performance. Practical use cases for this mixer are endless. From making fluffy meringues to kneading rich, elastic bread dough, the Cuisinart SM-50R can handle it all. Imagine hosting a gathering and whipping up a large batch of mashed potatoes or mixing cookie dough for a bake sale. This mixer is designed to make those tasks quicker and easier. In conclusion, the Cuisinart SM-50R 12-speed stand mixer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its powerful performance, versatility, and stylish design make it a must-have for both novice and experienced cooks alike. Whether you're baking cookies, making pasta, or preparing a family meal, this stand mixer will help you achieve delicious results with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.